Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to explain exercise 13.3 and these concept decimal number system or expressing large numbers in standard form. Before that, I hope that you all are fine and you're responding very well. Hope that you will respond more and watch the videos, like the videos and subscribe. So what is the use of learning this chapter? The decimal number system or expressing large numbers in standard form. As you know that, I already told you, whatever you are learning, you will get more and more in your higher classes. When you go for physics, etc., so you have to solve the in mathematics. You have to solve the numericals on a large number, that is base. Suppose you have to write the distance between a earth and the moon, you have to write the distance between the earth and the sun, you have to write the distance between earth and the Saturn. So there are lots of distance between them, and it is not easy to write this distance. It is not easy to write this distance in proper number form. That's why it's not easy to write the large numbers in simplest form or in original form. That's why they are converted into the standard form, and from standard form they can be converted into the decimals number system. Here we are going, students, here we are going to introduce our exercise, as well as we will try to understand the concept as much as possible. So first, write the numbers, following numbers in the expanded form. You have to write in expanded form. Expanded form is not a new concept for you. Expanded form is not a new concept for you. For example, question number 1, 279404. You have to write in expanded form. How can you write it? In your previous classes, you have written 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many zeros? 5 zeros. Then 7, 4 zeros, then 3 zeros, then 2 zeros, then 0, and then 4. In this way we can write this: 5 zeros, 4 zeros, 3 zeros, 2 zeros and 1. 5 zeros, 4 zeros, 2 zeros. As you observe that 0 is increasing, 0 is decreasing. Here 5, 4, 3, 2, and here 2 zeros, here 1 0, and the last one is the only unit place number. Now you have to express in expanded form. This is expanded, but in this class we have to write this in exponent form. We can write it as 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can write it 1, 2, 3, 4. We can write it 9, 1, 2, 3. We can write it 4 into 100, and we can write it 0 into 10, and we can write it 4 into 1. Is that clear? This can be written as 2 into how many zeros? 5. This can be written as 7 into 4 zeros, 9 into 3 zeros, 9 into 4 into 2 zeros, 0 into 1 0 and 1. What you have observed, that 0 is decreasing in each and every step. That 0 is decreasing in each and every step. So we can write it is 2. This can be written as 10 raised to power 5. It can be written as 10 raised to power 4. It can be written as 9 into 10 raised to power 3. It can be written as 4 into 10 raised to power 2. It can be written as 0 into 10 raised to power 1, and it can be written as 10 into 10 raised to power 0. As you know that 10 raised to power 10 raised to power 0 is equal to always 1, because whenever a number or an integer have a power 0, the result is 1. 10 raised to power 1 means 10, 10 raised to power 2 means 100, 10 raised to power 3 means 1000, 10 raised to power 4 means 10,000, 10 raised to power 5 means 1 lakh, and so on. So in this way we can represent this. This is the first question, first part. Similarly, we are taking the second part. Similarly, we will discuss the second part also. In second part, what is that? that is 3000, sorry, 3006194. How can you write it? Yes, you can write it 3, how many zeros? 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. You can write this way 1 2 3 4 5. Then it is not, and it can be written as how many zeros? Then 3 zeros, then 2 zeros, then 1 zero, and then 4, and it can be written as 10 into 3 into 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 6. It can be written as 0 into 10 raised to power 5. It can be written as 0 into 10 raised to power 4. It can be written as 6 into 10 raised to power 3. It can be written as 10 into raised to power 1 into 10 raised to power 2. It can be written as 9 into 10 raised to power 1, and it can be written as 4 into 10 raised to power 0. So we can read it. Here 6 zeros, so it can be written as 10 raised to power 6, 5 zeros, 10 raised to power 5, 4 zeros, 10 raised to power 0 raised to power 10 raised to 4, 3 zeros, 6 into 10 raised to power 3, 100, 1 into 10 raised to power 2, 90, 9 into 10 raised to power 1, and 4, 10 raised to power 0. In this way, students, we can expand in the form of exponents and power. So, student, I hope that you are able to attempt these questions, because these are too easy to attempt. I think you will not face any difficulty, any problem or any confusion in this. Similarly, you will not have any problem in this question or in this solution. In this solution. In this way, we can note it down. We can note it down it, and there are 3 parts for you. That is for your remaining parts for your homework, or you have to reattempt them. That's now. The second question is find the numbers for each of the expanded form. Now in this next, what we have to do? You have to find the number in expanded. You have to find the number. Expanded form is given. You have to find the original number. You have to find the original number. Till what we are doing? Till we were converting the original number in expanded form. Now what will we do? We will convert the expanded form into number. Expanded form into number. So how will we do it, students? How will we attempt it? So this can be attempted by second question, A part. 8 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 0. How can you write it? 8 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 into 1, 2, 3. Similarly, 0 into 100. 4 into 10. 5 into 1. This can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5. It can be written as 80 plus 6000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 5, and you can add it now. You can add it in simple mathematics. You can add it. I think you will not face any problem in such kind of questions. Is that clear, students? You will not face any problem in such kind of question. So how will you add it? 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 40 plus 5, 54068. And similarly, students, B part of this is that You have given what? What you have given? You have given 4 into 10 raised to power 5 into 5 into 10 raised to power 3, 3 into 10 raised to power 2, 2 into 10 raised to power 0. How can we write it? Yes, students. 4 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 1, 2, 3. 3 into 100 and 2 into 10. 2 into 1. So it can be written is 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be written is 5000. It can be written is 300 and it can be written is 2. So how will write the answer? The answer will be, what is the answer? The answer will be 405302. Is that clear, students? Yes. Any doubt? No. Then you have to attempt this one and complete the work. Okay, students? Thanks for today. Please subscribe it. Okay, and watch the videos. Thanks a lot, students.